If you've ever accidentally deleted a file or lost an important document in Google Drive, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to recover data from Google Drive step by step. We'll cover the most common method first, then a few extra ways to find missing files, check what happened to them, and what to do if something was permanently deleted. So if this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more easy tech guides, and let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is open Google Drive in your browser and sign in to the account where the file was originally stored. This is very important because if you're logged into the wrong account, the file may not appear at all. Once you're inside the drive, look at the left-hand sidebar and click on Trash. This is the first place you should check anytime a file goes missing because deleted items usually stay here for a limited time before they are permanently removed. Inside the trash folder, scroll through the list or use your browser search if you have a lot of files. Try to find the document, image, video, or folder you want to bring back. When you see it, right-click on the file and choose Restore. As soon as you do that, Google Drive will move the file back to its original location automatically. So if it was inside a folder before, it should return to that same folder, which makes recovery really quick and simple. If you do not see the file in trash, the next step is to use the search bar at the top of Google Drive. Sometimes the file was not deleted at all. It may have just been moved, renamed, or stored in a different folder. Type in the exact file name if you remember it, or try part of the name if you only know some of it. You can also search by file type, like PDF, image, spreadsheet, or document. This is a very useful trick because many times the file is still there, just not where you expected it to be. If the search results still do not help, another smart thing to do is check the activity panel. To do this, select the file or folder you want to inspect, then click the information icon, which often looks like an eye in a circle. From there, open the Activity tab. This can help you see who moved the file, who deleted it, and when the change happened. If you share files with other people or use Google Drive across multiple devices, this step can help you understand exactly what happened and whether someone else may have changed it. Now, if the file is not in trash and it does not show up in search, then it may have been permanently deleted. In that case, your best option is to contact Google support as soon as possible. To do that, click the question mark in the top right of Google Drive, choose Help, and then look for the most relevant support option available. The sooner you report the issue, the better your chances of getting help, especially if the deletion was recent. It is also a good idea to explain clearly what file was lost when you noticed it and what you already tried. A few extra tips can make recovery easier. First, always check that you are using the correct Google account, because many people have more than one. Second, if the file was shared with you, ask the original owner whether they still have access to it. Third, if you are recovering a folder, remember that sometimes only one file inside it was deleted, so it is worth checking each item individually. And finally, make it a habit to keep important files backed up outside of Drive as well, just in case. So to recap, the fastest way to recover data from Google Drive is to check trash first, restore the file if it is there, use search if the file may have been moved instead of deleted, check the activity panel to see what happened, and contact Google support if the file was permanently removed. Follow these steps and you'll have the best chance of getting your data back quickly. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials, and share this with someone who might need it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.